Understanding, turn up the music, a beginner's guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore a very popular English phrase, turn up the music. Whether you're at a party, in the car, or just relaxing at home, this phrase is both common and useful. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. When someone says, turn up the music, they are simply asking to increase the volume of the music. The phrase, turn up, here means to raise the volume so that the music sounds louder. It's a casual and informal way to request that the music be played at a higher volume, often because the speaker wants to enjoy the music more or share it with others. Everyday situations. You might hear or use, turn up the music, in various everyday situations. For example, if you're at a party and you want to get everyone dancing, you might say this to make the atmosphere more lively. Or, if you're driving with friends and your favorite song comes on, you might ask them to turn up the music to enjoy the song even more. Expressing enjoyment. This phrase can also express enjoyment or approval of the music being played. Saying, turn up the music, can indicate that you really like the song or the genre and want to immerse yourself in it fully by listening to it at a louder volume. While turn up the music is straightforward, there are variations you can use or might hear, such as crank up the tunes, a more informal and slangy way to say the same thing, often used among younger people or in a very casual setting. Pump up the volume, another informal variant that emphasizes the desire to significantly increase the volume. Blast the music. This implies not just increasing the volume but playing the music as loudly as possible. Often used when someone wants to fully immerse themselves in the music or create a very energetic atmosphere. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, turn up the music. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what the phrase means, how it's used, and some variations you might come across. Remember, learning English is all about getting familiar with these everyday phrases that can make your communication more effective and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to turn up the music whenever you're in the mood to enjoy some tunes.